Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join YBA trading Discord server. So for you to do that, make sure you log on to your Discord account on your web browser using your PC. Then once you log in, then you should have something like this home page. Then click, you add a new tab, then you search for YBA server link. So I'm just going to create new tab, then search. You can see using Bing as a search engine. I'm going to type in YBA server link, server link. You can see right here YBA server link. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, then you hit on enter. Very good. You can see right here, then you click on it, and alright, that's good. So you have to verify that you're human. So verifying you're human takes a few seconds. So good. Just gonna verify this to show that I'm human, so I'm not a robot. So you can see verification successful, which is good. I'm just gonna give you a few seconds to load. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm just going to add any of this server right now. This is the server I wanted to add. You can see right here. Okay, this is which one should we go for? I think we should go for this, then join this server.